Friends, I am going to present presentation on home automation using embedded system. As you all know that the automation increases day by day in the various sectors, and we know automation reduces human work properly. That's why I am here explain smart home automation technology. Now without wasting time, let's start. Let us see here index of my project. First introduction of my project, then what is embedded system, what is home automation, the block diagram of the embedded system, block diagram of system, then architecture of home automation, embedded system applications, then sensor used in the system, then advantages of embedded system, and finally conclusion. Now let us see introduction of my project. The aim of the paper is to investigate the cost-effective solution that will provide a controlling of home appliances remotely and will also enable home security against intrusion in the absence of homeowner. The system uses user handset for control of various home appliances, and it will also provide on the detection of intrusion via SMS using a GSM technology. Let us see what is system or what is embedded system. It is a combination of hardware and software, where software is usually known as firmware, that is embedded into hardware. An embedded system is an electronic or computer system which is designed to perform a specific task. For example, a fire alarm is a best example of embedded system. It will sense only smoke. Let us see here, this is a block diagram of embedded system. It contains power supply and oscillator circuit, input device interfacing circuit, processor, program memory and data memory, timer, serial communication ports, interrupt controller, parallel ports, output interface driver circuit, and system application specific circuit. Now let us see what is home automation. The home automation is a method of controlling home appliances for the convenience of the users. And a home automation system is a technological solution that enables automating bulk of electronics, electrical, and technology based tasks within a home. It uses a combination of hardware and software technologies that enables control and management over appliances and devices within a home. Let us see in this picture we can see totally smart home automation. Here we use here handset which control various home appliances like LED control, light control, then this is a window controller, air conditioner, then STB oblique TV control, thermostat control. Actually we can say that this technology makes a life easier of the users and will also save energies by utilizing devices. This is the block diagram of the system. In these blocks it contains various blocks like a mobile station, this is GSM modem, microcontroller unit, driver and relays. I will explain here working. First it consists of mobile station, that is user handset. We can send text message to the GSM receiver through the GSM network, and this GSM receiver receive message sent from handset. This GSM modem is connected to the Atmega 8 microcontroller, and we know that it is a key element in all embedded system. This microcontroller is connected to the driver circuit, and at the output of drivers we use some relays as per our home appliances. And the next information will continue my friend Kalpana.
My friend Dhananjay explained what is embedded system, what is home automation. I will explain further information about home automation using embedded system. This is architecture of home automation system, in which it consists of two units, central unit and another are room control units. Central control unit, it is a brain of home automation system, means overall operation executed by central control unit. Central unit measuring the current environmental conditions using the various sensor, and it controls the light and fans, also air conditioners, TV, electronic doors. They transmit and receive the instructions over GSM network from users and controlling an appliances in a specific rooms based on time, such as automatically switching off a TV at a specific time. Room control unit controls the appliances in a particular room using set of sensors. Home automation system allows one person to control household appliances from a centralized control unit. Next slide, embedded system application. We have already discussed about home automation using embedded system. Also, this system used for office automation in the public distribution system such as ration distribution. Also, this system used for security purpose. Next slide, embedded system in home automation, in which we can see that how many type of appliances can be controlled. I will explain how to secure our home if intrusion is occurred. Then sensors, if intrusion is occurred, then sensors sense the intrusion and interact with a central control unit and then send SMS to our mobile handset. We give the response to that SMS for controlling and alerts nearest police station to avoid intrusion. Means in this way we can achieve the security when we are not present in the home. Also controls the gas, geyser, light, refrigerator using our mobile over GSM network. So in this way we can improve functionality of appliances and avoid damages. Next slide, sensors used. In the home automation system, various sensors are used such as LM35, PIR motion sensor, then next XC446 LDR photosensitive sensor. LM35, this sensor used for temperature sensing purpose. The sensor senses the temperature in the range of -40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. PIR motion sensor is an electronic sensor. This sensor senses motion of people and automatically on and off the light. Also used for security alarms. Next, required component such as Atmega 8 microcontroller IC, then GSM modem. Atmega 8 microcontroller IC, it has a 28 pins and 32 into 8 bit general purpose working registers. GSM modem, which accepts a SIM card and operates over a subscription to a mobile operators just like a mobile phone, and GSM modem looks like a mobile phone. Next slide, advantages of home automation system. First, low power requirement. Second, remote control of home functions. We can able to control our home functions from a distance using a remote. Next, minimum time wastage, means save time. Since we are living in a very fast paced environment, we don't even have a time to worry about our home. With home automation, we can save time going back to our home and make sure everything is okay. Like if kids close the door from school or turn on the lights when you get home. Next advantages, safety. You can make sure appliances are off when it's needed to be off and on when it's needed to be on by home automation. Next advantages, security. The ability to lock the door through your phone is one of the greatest benefit of home automation system. The fact that you can be alerted each time someone enters your home and also allows you to monitor who is entering your home at all times, especially when you are not there. Next, conclusion. This project described and design of a system for household appliances control using our mobile handset through GSM technology. This system uses mobile handset for control, and therefore the system is more adaptable and cost effective. Home automation is a wireless home appliances control system accessed by remote devices such as mobile phone to allow a homeowner to control, monitor and coordinate home appliances without changing the home infrastructure. Next slide, reference. Then thank you.